Push up with your left hand. A little sharper. There you go. Letting it slide between your palms. Left turn here. Push up with your right hand. Take some getting used to it. The sharper the turn. Then we're going to keep going straight ahead all the way to the end here. Looking for squirrels. Turn left at the intersection. Where do you stop here? At the curb? Unless there's a sidewalk, right? And there is a sidewalk, so yeah, right here. Perfect. Just pull it over. At the intersection, we're going to make a right turn. This 40 sign here posted at the stop sign. You got to hit the gas and then slam the brakes. It just tells you 40 is what the speed is when you turn the corner here. You can roll out there. Nobody's using the sidewalk. A left turn at the four-way intersection. The line was just partially visible there. Stop sign ahead. Your signs are your guides, especially at nighttime. It gives you a little heads up of what to expect down the road. We're going to turn right. Lines are a little faded here. He has a stop sign. See? And then a left turn here. Left turn here. Feel like a drill sergeant sometimes. Yeah, left, right, left. I don't know how many times in my lifetime I've said those words, left and right.
Yeah.
Was that a roll, Al?
A little bit.
Yeah, eh?
Just a little bit.
I think so.
I didn't feel the kick on my tie.
Yeah, me neither. We're going to turn right at this intersection. See, they got a yield sign. Yeah, I was just kind of look for the signs. And we'll park the vehicle on this hill near the fence. Yellow sign or so. A little slower, little over to the left. Little over to the left. There we go. A little more to the left. A little more. Okay, good. All right, we'll secure the vehicle so it doesn't roll down the hill. Correct. Neutral.
Let it roll a little bit.
Keeping pressure on the brake. Is rested gently against the curb. Oh, there it is. Done. Okay. You can also cancel your signal too for the road test. They'll say, please secure the vehicle, assume you're leaving it here for a long period of time without shutting the engine off. So it's as if you're going to go get out of the vehicle and visit someone, you wouldn't leave your signal on, so you can turn that off too. All right, and step 1, to leave the side of the road. You remember what that is? Step 1. Yep. Got her. Step 2.
Sure.
Yep. And step 3. Smog, yeah. What's the S for? What's that thing on the side of your steering column? Signal. You got her. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder, go. Or SMB, signal, mirror, blind spot, or mirror, signal, blind spot, or blind spot. As long as you check that blind spot. Or do all 3. Alright, so at the traffic light, this guy's got his hazard lights on. What does that mean? I'm asking Al, what does that mean?
I don't know. He's in the left turn lane.
Yeah, okay.
That's kind of odd.
We're going to turn left. But leave space in case we got to get out. Because if he doesn't move...
Oh, no, he's turned him off.
Ah, okay.
He's got his left turn.
Alright, so you can roll up then.
He must have been delivering back there and had his 4-ways on to be parked on the side of the road.
You just left him on.
Left it on.
Okay. Can't see what's coming, right? So just kind of slow roll it. Make sure the way is clear. Ease off the gas pedal. And back on the gas. Signal right away. Mirror, blind spot. That's good. Slow her down. We're going to make a right turn right here. Don't forget to make that right lane change immediately after you complete your left turn.
They're always going to.
Always, yeah. They always want you to move to the right. Unless they ask you to stay in the left lane, then move to the right. We'll turn right here. And then a right turn at the intersection. Right turn. We're going to turn right at the lights. You stay right here. Stay right here. See? Pedestrian. Stay right here behind the line. 1 foot to the sidewalk. You stay behind the white line if they're using the crosswalk in case the light turns yellow. Yeah. We'll make a left lane change. At the traffic light, we're going to turn left. Right here. Blind spot check. A little over to the left so you're further away from the white line. Oh, good. You're checking that crosswalk before going. Awesome. Very good. around this corner here, we're gonna park the vehicle on the hill.
Past this car.
Yeah. Okay, we'll secure the vehicle. That's right on. Because it's not a curb. And park, yeah. You got it. Okay, we'll take off. Excellent. That just goes up the hill over here. This keeps going up that hill. Little cul-de-sac here. And overhand. And nice, okay. That steering's really come along. And we're going to park the vehicle next to the first light post. You got her. We'll take off. First Street right turn. And we pull the car over to the side of the road here safely. Okay, let's park the vehicle assuming you're facing uphill with a curb. And then you would just explain the neutral thing.
Neutral goes. It stops into the curb.
Yep. And then you just
park.
Yeah. After you explain that, you just put it in park and engage your parking brake. So sometimes some of the examiners, instead of taking you to a hill, they'll take you to a flat spot like this and get you to imagine a scenario. And then you just show them. Okay, and we'll take off.